Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome back to yet another video, and today we are taking a look at the charging test on the new Poco M2 Pro. Now before we get this started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to avoid missing any videos from us in the future. Now let's begin the video. Now the Poco M2 Pro comes with a 33 watt charging capability, and it also includes such a charger in the box. Now this is the same charger that comes with the Mi 10 as well as the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max that has a maximum output of 33 watts. Now here are a few points to remember before we go onto the charging test itself. Number one, this test was performed in a situation where there was just a fan in the room and there was no AC or other form of cooling applicable here. The phone had a SIM inside it and we turned it on shortly after charging started, and the wall adapter was connected directly to the main and there was no use of any other adapter or extender. And we started off by measuring the 5-minute mark, by which it had reached 9%. 5 minutes later, when it reached 10 minutes, it had actually charged up to 18%, which means that you can get over 15% of charge within the first 10 minutes itself. At the 15-minute mark, the charge had reached 26%. And finally, in half an hour, we got 50% of charge. That means that the phone had a refill rate of 83.33 mAh for the first half an hour, but usually phones start decreasing its charging speed as it goes higher in the battery level in order to prevent overheating and causing damage to the smartphone's battery itself. Now let's take a look at how it did at the 45-minute mark, where it reached 71% of charge. Having a charge level of 71% at the 45-minute mark meant that it had a refill rate of 78.88 mAh per minute in the first 45 minutes. Around the 1 hour mark, the phone had reached 80% of charge, which means that the refill rate was at 66.6%. And the phone did eventually complete charging at 1 hour and 22-minute mark, which gives you a total average refill rate of 60.97 mAh per minute. Now while there are fast charging smartphones below 20,000 price segment, there are not too many fast charging smartphones, particularly in this price segment, which we expect to be below 15,000 rupees. Now at the point of making this video, we don't know the pricing, so that's why I'm guessing. So there is a high chance that this Poco M2 Pro will be the fastest charging smartphone under the 15,000 segment, considering that it takes just 1 hour and 22 minutes to refill a full 5000 mAh battery from scratch. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section below. See you again in the next one.